What's the meaning of capital gains? Capital gains. Capital gains.
Capital gains. Capital gains. Capital gains refers to the profit made from the sale of an asset such as stocks, real estate, or artwork. This profit is calculated by subtracting the purchase price from the selling price. Capital gains can be realized or unrealized, depending on whether the asset has been sold or not. When an asset is sold at a higher price than it was purchased for, the resulting capital gain is taxed at a different rate than regular income. The tax rate varies depending on the length of time the asset was held and the investor's income level.